Hello and welcome to another video on my channel. Last time that I made a hair tutorial, it was about Dutch braids, and I told you guys that my main style to go when I do braids, it's French style. So I thought I never show you how to do the French style. So today I'm going to be doing that. And because French style braids is something that I do really often, I'm going to be trying to do more than 2 braids. We will see. I guess they're going to be 4, 2 and 2 on each side, but I will see while going down the road. So, shall we begin? First thing I had to do was to do a nice middle part. I'm going to tie the one side. Later I will divide this in the middle also, and I will tie the top part. Give me a second to do my part and I will be back to show you. So I did a part here and I tied it to the side. Then now I'm going to start by spraying some water on here to be easier to manage. And I will put my hair behind and also my hands. And I will start the same way I started doing the Dutch braids, by taking some hair and dividing it in 3 parts. So after this is done, I start doing a normal braid, passing the outside hair above the middle. And then as I go, I take more hair. It's important to smooth the hair you're taking, so there won't be any bumps. Doing that until I take all the hair until my hair, and I'm going to stop right here so I can mix it with the upper braid and turn it all into one. So I stop here and I tie it. You can see it has a texture here. So let's move now to the higher. The movement for 1 or 2 more times, and then by untying the bottom part, you can also use these small hair ties and you can keep them. I will start until the end. So this is the one side. 2 braids going into one. I will finish the other side and I will see you in a while. So I'm ready. This is seriously my go-to hairstyle. I used to do that all the time, and I would either turn it into a bun or make it into one braid and really experiment with it. It's not so easy to do, I get that, but it's a really easy way to practice on braiding your own hair, and this is the video for today. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments if you try that. See you in another video. Bye!